I know you want it, wanna see you trying. Just keep on pushing on that you're fighting.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. Today's video will be having a maintenance video. So I'll basically be taking you guys with me as I do my monthly maintenance that I like to do. I basically just had my breakfast and I'll be heading out soon. I'm actually waiting for the taxi that I ordered. So today, the plan for today is that I just want to go get some makeup products, especially foundation, because I ran out of foundation. Not like I ran out of foundation, I just got tired of my old foundation, so I want a new one. Sorry, the phone is a bit shaky because I'm not using my tripod. I'm actually holding the phone. But yeah, I will be going out and I'll be taking you guys with me, so stay tuned. If you're new here, hi, hit the subscribe button. Don't make you last time you be seeing this beautiful face by hitting the subscribe button. I love you. Definitely going to throw on a jacket. Let me show you guys my full outfit. I'm definitely going to be throwing on a jacket. On this fit, top from Shein, bag cut Kega, jean, I don't even remember where, but yeah, I'm currently waiting for the taxi to come fetch me and off we go.
No more dreams are gonna shed, no. Gotta be what we were had. No more dreams are gonna shed, no.
Yeah, do you still think about me, babe? There's just so much things left unsaid. Your face still stuck in my brain ever since we parted ways. Don't want what we have to go to waste. I hate this guilt, a bitter taste whenever someone mentions your name. I just wanna see your face for one last time. Midnight conversations till the sunrise. Then we went to work pretending we're alright. Then night comes, your body moving, looking so divine. Been contemplating to ask you how you doing all the time. Funny how things can be so wrong, even when the stars are aligned. Aligned, yeah. Now that you're gone, I've gotta pay the price. The price, yeah.
Gotta be what we were had. No more dreams are gonna shed, no. Gotta be what we were had. No more dreams are gonna shed, no.
You still think about me, babe? There's just so much things left unsaid. Your face still stuck in my brain ever since we parted ways. Don't want what we have to go to waste. I hate this guilt, a bitter taste whenever someone mentions your name. I just wanna see your face for one last time. Never thought the day would come when we said it's time to cut the fun. Convincing myself it's done, it's done. Rip the band-aid off the pain, it's numb. Thought I could get over you pretty quickly, but right now I'm just wallowing some pity. Maybe tomorrow the sky's super pretty big. We didn't start to see me differently. Locked in a familiar space, like an Apollo in space. Hitting the clouds, don't care what no one says. Always gonna be something in a way. Trapped like a bane. Hazy vision have to differentiate when I write my wrongs about going insane. When I was lost in your instance from you, baby, now that I've lost in an instant too late. So show me how to love and remind me, tell me what lies beyond those eyes. How about you keep me close, I can be yours to blame. Goodbye will always stay the same. But I just wanna see your face for one last time. I just wanna see I just wanna see your face one last time.
No more dreams are gonna share.
Hey guys, good morning. It's actually the next day. I wasn't able to do all of my appointments yesterday, so I'm trying to finish all of that today. So yesterday I was just able to get like my makeup products. I did my toenail, I loosened my hair, had a hair wash day, and that was it for yesterday. So today I actually have like my appointment in the next 10 minutes, so I actually have to rush down there. But yeah, I just wanted to come in and say hi to you guys. Hope you're doing well. Today we have a lash appointment, brow lamination. Guys, I'm so scared. This will be my first time trying this out, but please pray for me. I pray it comes out well, because I always struggle to draw my brows, so I literally have to get this done. And what else? My nails, yeah, my nails. So I'll make my hair too, yeah. I don't know, I'm forgetting. So I have like my brow lamination, my lash extension, my nails, and my hair today to get done, and hopefully I'll be back soon. I just had breakfast and I'll be rushing out now because I'm literally running late for my appointment. But yeah, we'll see how today goes. Hopefully I like the brow lamination, because I'm so scared. I'm so skeptical. I'm scared, not gonna lie. So just pray for me, guys. Pray for me. So yeah, I'll be rushing out now. I don't know how this wig is looking, but I can't change it now. It's too late. So yeah, this is the vibe we're going for. So let's go.
Never thought the day would come. I said it's time to cut the fun. Convincing myself it's done, it's done. Rip the band-aid off the pain, it's numb. Thought I could get away you pretty quickly, but right now I'm just wallowing self-pity. Maybe tomorrow the sky's a pretty big green and start to see me differently. Locked in a familiar space, like in a polar space.
So we're doing lashes and brows, yeah?
Yes,
Amazing.
please. Yeah, your space is actually beautiful.
Thank you, appreciate it.
Show me how to love and remind me. Tell me what lies beyond those eyes. How about you keep me close? I can be yours to goodbye for always. Stay the same. But I just wanna see your face one last time. I just wanna see your face one last time. I just wanna see your face one last time. I just wanna see your face one last time.
No more dreams are gonna share. No, gotta be what we were here. No more dreams are gonna share. No.
Yeah, do you still think about me, babe? There's just so much things left unsaid. Your face still stuck in my brain ever since we parted ways. Don't want what we have to go to waste. I hate this good or bitter taste whenever someone mentions your name. I just wanna see your face one last time. Midnight conversations till the sunrise. Then we went to work pretending we're alright. Then night comes, your body moving, looking so divine. Been contemplating to ask you how you doing all the time. Funny how things can be so wrong, even when the stars are aligned. Aligned, aligned, yeah. Now that you're gone, I've
my god, guys, I just got back from the beauty salon, and guys, I am loving my brows. So I've literally been sleeping on brow lamination for a very long time. This is your sign. If you're thinking about it, go get it because it's nice. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I don't think I'm ever going back. I love my brows, I love my lashes. The service was top notch. I even had a nap there. I really had an amazing time there and I love it. I'll see you guys later. I just want to go eat. I'm so famished now. Because I forgot I didn't show you guys my nails. But yeah, I love it so much. It looks so simple. The length is perfectly okay for me. And it works so well with my toenails, so why not? Why not? Alright guys. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button, please do hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Okay, it's all good vibes here. You already know that.
Tell me